Do you want to know the best ways to keep your DJI Air 3 drone safe? Look nowhere else. The top 2 cases that will keep your drone safe and secure have been reviewed in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have FpVTosky hard case. Making sure their investment is adequately protected is one of the top worries for drone owners. No exception applies to the DJI Air 3, which is an expensive piece of equipment that requires sufficient maintenance. The FpVikovski hard case fills that need by providing superior protection for your DJI Air 3. The FpVikovski hard case's tough and sturdy exterior is one of its most notable qualities. The case's powerful EVA design can endure a substantial amount of impact and safeguards its contents from harm. The case is also water-resistant, making it a great option for outdoor enthusiasts who want to make sure that their DJI Air 3 is secure and dry no matter what the weather may be like. The DJI Air 3 fits nicely in the FpVTosky hard case because of its bespoke design, which is another important feature. The DJI Air 3 and all of its accessories are held firmly by a pre-cut foam insert that is part of the case's interior. This guarantees that the drone and all of its attachments travel safely and in order. The case also has multiple spaces where extra batteries, charging cables, and other accessories can be kept. By doing so, customers may keep all of their DJI Air 3 accessories in a single handy spot. The FpVikovski sturdy case also has a convenient handle that is comfortable to hold and easy to use, making it simple to transport. For photographers or videographers who frequently need to move about with their equipment, this function is fantastic. Overall, the FpVikovski hard case is a great option for DJI Air 3 users who want a tough and reliable case that will provide their drone and accessories with the best protection possible. This hard case is certain to meet all the needs of drone enthusiasts thanks to its customized design, pre-cut foam insert, water-resistant exterior, and many storage pockets. On number 2, we have Licos M1 Backpack case. The Licos M1 Backpack case may be what you need if you're seeking for a more practical and portable way to transport your DJI Air 3. For photographers and videographers who are constantly on the move, this backpack-style bag is ideal since it offers excellent protection for your drone and all of its accessories while also being simple to transport. The remarkable capacity of the Lykus M1 Backpack case is one of its most notable features. You can transport your DJI Air 3 controller, extra batteries, propellers, and other equipment like a tablet or phone with this case. You can even retrieve the footage from your drone while on the go thanks to a pocket that is specifically made to suit your iPad or other tablet computer. In addition, comfort was considered in the design of the Lykus M1 Backpack case. As a result of the padding on the back panel and shoulder straps, you won't feel uneasy even if you carry your drone for a long time. You can discover the ideal fit for your body type thanks to the adjustable straps. The Lykus M1 Backpack case has you covered in terms of protection. The outside of the drone is made of a durable, water-resistant fabric that will shield it from the elements. A soft, scratch-resistant material lines the interior of the case to protect your drone and its accessories from harm while being transported. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.